guys, I'm Deepika and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about Plum Goodness. So Plum is a vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable beauty brand that caters to all skin types and their concerns while staying transparent and real about it. So Plum has turned 8 this year, and to celebrate their birthday, they are hosting the biggest sale of the year, like up to 50% off on all of the products and some very exciting offers. Like if your order is about $12.99, then you'll be getting a vitamin C toner and a moisturizer worth 1,000 rupees for free. And if your orders are about 1,999, then you'll be getting the vitamin C toner, moisturizer plus the volume mascara worth 1,500 absolutely free. You will also be getting gift cards with exciting offers on each and every order, and one lucky winner will also get an iPhone 13. Yes, you heard it right, an iPhone 13. So I don't think anybody should miss this sale because Plum has so much to offer during their sale season. Like this is the perfect time you can stock up on your favorites and also have a chance to win an iPhone 13. I think it's the best deal. So the sale starts from 1st to 4th July, and Plum was kind enough to send me a box full of goodies. So let's see what I got. So I've got this pouch, which is extremely cute. It has Plum's logo on it. The very first product is this rice water and niacinamide serum with clarity boost. This is fragrance free. A face serum that clarifies and brightens your skin by actively working on blemishes and post acne marks, soothing active acne and regulating sebum production. So after cleansing your face, use the serum and then lock it with the moisturizer. Follow up with a sunscreen in the day. You can also use this serum at night as well. This works amazing. So the next product is this olive and macadamia shampoo. So this is a very gentle sulfate-free hydrating shampoo that cleanses and nourishes your scalp. It's an amazing hydrating shampoo. Gives your hair that shine and doesn't dry out your scalp. What I like to do is after using this shampoo, I like to follow up with the avocado hair mask, and it's the best combo ever. Okay, so the next product is the I by Swear matte liner. So a liquid liner that gives you deep black matte finish in just one stroke. This eyeliner is smudge and waterproof and also dries quickly. And I also love the fact that they have given this small scanner where you can scan for winged eye tutorial. Okay, and the last product is the Body Loving Body Mist. This is their Vanilla Vibes mist, and this is how it looks like. It's super cute. It has this lavender tint. So it's a warm vanilla fragranced body mist that lasts up to 2 to 3 hours and is travel friendly as it comes in this plastic bottle. And just, oh my god, I literally smell like cupcake, to be honest. Wow, I love this. Just spritz some on your neck and your pulse point and you are good to go. So that's it for today's haul. I absolutely love each and every product that Plum has sent me. So the sale starts from 1st to 4th July, up to 50% off on all of the products and exciting offers. You will also get gift cards on each and every order, and also you can stand a chance to win an iPhone 13. And if you use my coupon code BDATE10, you will also be getting additional 10% off on all of their products. So what are you getting from the Plum's birthday sale? Do let me know in the comments down below. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to my channel. Bye.